Welcome to our channel. Today we BirdMan car collection. Brian Williams, better known as Birdman, the CEO of Cash Money Records, is one of the most significant figures in Southern rap's history. Active since the early 1990s, his music is ambitious and often centers on money and vehicles. With an estimated net worth of around $150 million, he can certainly afford some of the rarest and most expensive cars in the world. So today, let's take a look inside Birdman's car collection. Let's start off with Birdman's most expensive and debated car, his Maybach Accelero. This futuristic vehicle was originally a concept car created through a collaboration between Stoller and Daimler Chrysler to test high-performance tires for the Fulda company. Unveiled in Berlin in 2005, the black vehicle was designed to exceed speeds of 217 miles per hour, powered by a 700-horsepower twin-turbo V12. In 2011, Birdman announced he had purchased the vehicle for $8 million. However, reports later surfaced that the owner at the time, European entrepreneur Arnaud Masardic, never received the funds, leaving the official ownership in question. There have also been rumors about something even more exotic, the Lamborghini Veneno. This is Lamborghini's version of a road-legal racing car, with a groundbreaking exterior design that maximizes airflow and downforce. Only a handful of coupes and roadsters were ever built by Lamborghini. While it was rumored that Birdman put down $1 million deposit to acquire one of the few Venenos, priced at over $4 million, it was never confirmed that he actually took ownership. The Bentley Mulsanne that Birdman bought also came into the limelight, as he initially decided to gift one to his protege, Lil Wayne. The vehicle has a premium interior made of leather and fine wooden trims and offers an exceptional ride quality. It is powered by a potent 6.75-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. The price of the vehicle is around $335,600. With that, Birdman also owns a black Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van that is heavily customized. The van has a luxurious red leather interior, multiple screens, and a top-of-the-line sound system. The vehicle is heavily pimped out, and even features an upgraded suspension for better ride quality. While a standard Sprinter costs around $45,000, Birdman's version is estimated to be worth over $300,000. As of now, Birdman's garage is estimated to hold around 8 cars with a value of approximately $17 million. His fleet is clearly one of the most expensive among rappers. Tell us your thoughts about his collection and the artist. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us whose celebrity